That takes we had a bunch of grown men coming through here, and every time they tried on it, they're like, oh,
yeah.
I can't do it.
Keep my echo.
Yeah, I can't.
Man, that sounds good. Where you from?
Pick it up.
You're from Conway? What's your name? Lutz. It's nice to meet you, man. How old are you? 11. Man, for an 11-year-old, you can slam that little call, can't you? You like blowing a cut down call? Is that your first time blowing it? Or?
Yeah, this one.
That one? Well, man, you did good, man. You did really good. We just got to get, I wish I could get to where I can blow one like that. That's pretty good, brother.